Hello, this is Jeff Kelly, and in this video, I want to talk about what should you do when you've been served court papers, you don't really owe a lot of debt, and you've just got this one creditor that you need to deal with. Well, number one, once the sheriff comes out and serves you a copy of the complaint, on the court papers, there's going to be a phone number for the lawyer that has filed the lawsuit. You can call this attorney and you can try to negotiate with them. Should you hire an attorney to help you negotiate this? Well, it depends on the amount of the debt. If it's a small amount of debt, I'd say less than $5,000, probably not. In Georgia, when you're getting to the point where they're filing a lawsuit against you, they're coming at you pretty hard because they know that once they get a judgment against you, they can clean out your checking account. They can take 25% of your net wages. And if the debt is small, sometimes in rare cases, it might make sense to just go ahead and let yourself get garnished and get it over with. But normally, if you tell them, hey, I'm willing to make a payment arrangement with you, let's do a consent order, they're going to go along with that. Another option is you could file an answer in the case. And if you do that, it's going to get set before a hearing with the judge. And the judge might encourage them to work a payment plan out with you at trial, or it could go the other way as well. They could just say, you got a judgment, get out of my courtroom. So, but I do believe that in most cases, if you set it down for a hearing, they're going to try to work something out with you beforehand. But if it's a small amount of debt, you probably do not need to consider a Chapter 13 or a Chapter 7. But just to make sure, I would encourage you to go to annualcreditreport.com and make sure there's no other debts that have been hanging out there that maybe you forgot about. But again, if it's a small amount of debt, I'm talking about, less than $5,000, $6,000, $7,000, you probably don't need to consider a Chapter 13 or a Chapter 7. Thank you.